Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, September the 22nd, 2022. We have only one regular puzzle. It's a medium Sudoku, and I have not so good news because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No extra puzzles, no additional. That means I will solve the yesterday's edition, the additional. We have 3 puzzles left in the yesterday's newspaper. I believe the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and the tonic with a 1-star. So not a lot of Sudokus for today, but yesterday we have a regular puzzle with an unsolvable killer Sudoku. Yes, it's this one, unsolvable. Well, yeah, double one. It seems, look, today's newspaper we have the solution of the Sudoku mix, and look here, 1 1. That means that the rows and the columns have unique numbers, but not in the big square. Big square, we have here double 1, here double 8. So the publisher has changed the rules for the Sudoku mix. Well, maybe next time I will look for that. So the rules are changed for the Killer Sudoku. Anyway, let me go back to the Sudoku Medium. Yes, Sudoku Medium number. This will be number. Let me zoom this out. Yeah. This will be number. I believe 5214. 5214. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for a Sudoku medium with 26 printed digits, if you compare with the 1-star, 2-stars, 3-stars, and the 4-stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be 2-stars, and for 2-stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Alright, let me see which number can I pick. How about the 4 in this row? 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 in these 3 marks. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Okay, then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, and look, we have 8 and a 9 in this row. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. The 8 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. Oh, right. Then. Let me see. We have 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in the first row. So no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. Oh, right. 8. Then we have a 2 in this column. The 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Yeah. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 it goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. How about the 8 in this row, the 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then. How about the number? The number, let me think. Come on. 99, 222, 33. Well. Need a 3 here, so the 3 should be there. Yeah. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second column. No 3 there. 3 in the third column, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Here or there. Well, seems we have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in the first row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then. Well. And now. How about 3, okay. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. 176. Okay. And now. 8. And now, yeah, let me think. Yeah. 2 to 5. We have here a pair, the 2 and the 5 in this row, the 2 and the 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places left for the 2 and the 5 goes in these 3 boxes. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. But we have a 2 and the 5 in this column. So no 2 and the 5 in that box. The 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Alright. Then we have a 1 in this row, the 1 in the last row. So the row between overlooked. The only place left for the 1 should be then. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in the third column. So no 1 in this box. The 1 should be there. And the 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 to 5, we have a 5 now in the last column. So no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number? Let me see. 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. That means we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box I've marked with 9 and 8, and that box also 9 with 8. Cannot be an 8 anymore. We have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be 8, 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in the last row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. Let me mark those. 2 boxes cannot fill this yet. That means 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. Is missing. Two numbers left in this row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this last column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 6, 6, okay. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We have 8 in the third column, so no 8 there. Here, and 8 in the second column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. Alright. Okay. 9, 4, 7. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4. So we get 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, and look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this column. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. Alright. Okay, 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 6. Alright, so 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in the third row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so we have a 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. Alright, 2 in this first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see a 2 in this row. No 2 there. Here, 2 in the middle row. So no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Alright. Okay, then. Let me see. Can I start with 4? Yeah, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, don't need 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the third column, so no 4 there, 4. Should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 4. Yeah. All right. Okay. Then. Which number can I pick? How about the number? Let me see. Yeah. 6, 1, and 7. How about the number? The 3. Yeah, the 3. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3 and a 6. We have a 3 already in this row. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. And a 6 goes there. Alright, so we have a 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 and a 7, we have a 3 now in the third row. So no 3 there, 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 3. 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 6 and a 7, we have a 7 now in the second column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. So we have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 6, number 6. So the 3 numbers are missing now. The 1 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. And a 9. 179. Okay. This is complete. 179. 1 7, 1 and a 7. Yeah. 1 and a 7 are missing here. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 here. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 now in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 179, here we have a 1. So 7 and a 9 are missing. We have a 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes for 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic Thursday. We have no additional today. So maybe later on in the evening, I will do the rest of the puzzles in the Wednesday edition. So until then, bye-bye for now.